Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can record your computer screen using VLC Media Player. If you didn't know, VLC is not only a video player but it has a built-in screen recording feature also. And let's get started with the video. To record your desktop screen using VLC Media Player, first open VLC. Click on Media. Click on Open Capture Device. In this window, change the capture mode to desktop. Then in the frame rate settings, change it to 30 frames per second if you are recording your desktop screen, and if you are recording games, change it to 60 frames per second. Then come down to where it says play and click on the drop-down arrow and click on Convert. From here you can select the default profile, but I will go ahead and create a custom profile. I will name the profile as Desktop Capture. In the Encapsulation tab, I will click on MP4 or MOV. Then in the Video Codec, check the video box. Then click on the codec and change it to H.264, and you can leave rest of the settings to default. Then go ahead and click on Create. Then choose your destination folder where you want your recording to be saved. I will go ahead and save it to my desktop and name my recording as Test Recording VLC. After you have done choosing your destination folder, click on Start. Now it will capture whatever happening on the screen. To check whether your screen is recording or not, open VLC Media Player and you will see the timer running. To stop the recording, open VLC and click on the Stop button. Now, I will go to the location where I have saved my video. Now I will go ahead and play the recorded video for you. VLC is free and basic screen recording software out there and it will get the job done, but I would recommend recording with OBS Studio, which is also a free screen recording software and it has much more features. But anyway, if this video helped you, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here,
consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.